In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snapchat Ads reporting. By the end, you'll know how to get into Ads Manager, view the right metrics, set the right time frame, and build reports you can export or schedule to your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Snapchat Ads. Look for the official Snapchat Ads Manager link. It should take you to the ads platform rather than a help article or a general marketing page. Once you're on the correct page, click Login and sign in to your business account so you can access your campaigns and reporting tools. Inside Ads Manager, head to the top left corner and click your business drop-down. From there, select Manage Ads. This brings you to the main campaign table where you can tailor what you see to match your goals. Next, refine your view. Click Columns, then Customize Columns. Choose the metrics that matter for your analysis. Common essentials include spend for budget tracking, impressions to gauge visibility, swipes for engagement, and ROAS to understand return on ad spend. Think about your objective. If you're optimizing for efficiency, add CPA. If you care about traffic, add swipe up rate. The goal is to keep the table focused, not cluttered, so you can quickly spot what's working. Use the date picker in the top right to set your time frame. Last 7 days is great for quick pulse checks, while month to date or last 30 days helps you spot trends. If you're running experiments, a custom range that aligns with your flight dates will give you cleaner insights. For deeper scheduled or multi-account analysis, move into the Reporting Hub. Click the menu in the top corner and select Reports. This is where you can create standardized outputs that are easy to share and repeat. Click New Report and choose a report type. Campaign performance is ideal for a comprehensive view across campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Reach overlap is helpful if you're running multiple audiences and want to understand where exposure is duplicating, which can guide budget consolidation. Configure your settings by entering a clear report name and choosing your file type. Pick Excel if you want built-in formatting and quick pivots, or CSV if you plan to import data into spreadsheets, BI tools, or dashboards. If you want this to arrive automatically, toggle on Schedule and choose daily, weekly, or monthly. Match the cadence to your workflow: daily for active testing, weekly for team check-ins, monthly for executive summaries. Finally, click Save and Export to generate the file immediately, or save the configuration for later use. That's it. Your Snapchat Ads reporting is set up and ready to inform smarter decisions.